Greetings to all, especially our worldwide children, youth, and young adults everywhere. Happy International Youth Day from Sounds of Good News SOGN Productions and the Young Eagles Success Yes Club Youth Character Excellence Program and Fine Arts Projects. Since August 12, 2000, our SOGN Administrative Board, including CEO Dr. Carl Cole, President Frank Robinson, Director of Education Diana Cole, Production Specialist Andrew Cole, and Executive Advisor Dr. Brenda Jo Cole Bowers, has been ignited, excited, and delighted to be united with the United Nations to celebrate this great day to inspire and empower young people to be their best students, citizens, and leaders. We're happy to open up our presentation with official greetings from Dr. Brenda, as well as a dynamic welcome by our extraordinary National Ambassador for Peace, Positive Energy and Character Excellence, Mr. Bradley Ross Jackson, top student and scholar at the historic Dr. King's Morehouse College. Be sure to see his vast credentials in the YouTube details. Moreover, this year, we're thrilled to be filled with 6 music videos to share featuring our Yes Club Inc. CEO, Trinity Rucker, 15-year-old Youth Ambassador for Peace, award-winning youth poet, and published author, as well as our Yes Club core group participants. Be sure to review the full YouTube details, subscribe, and donate. Now take off your seat belts. You may have to get up and get down and jam. Here we go.
Hi, it's Dr. Brenda Bowers here, and today I'm standing in the position of Executive Advisor for Sounds of Good News, an organization that my brother founded in 1979 when he was a youth gone away to college at Northern Illinois University. And he has a logo, it's an ear and a cross, so it's when you can hear the sounds of good news. We know that it's coming from heaven and that kingdom is present on earth. 20 years into Sounds of Good News in 1999, the United Nations got together and recognized if we are going to have a sustainable future, then we have to invest in the youth of today. And guess who that is? That's me and you and anybody from 0 to 1999. So in this 27th year of International Youth Day, I want to thank Dr. Cairo Eubanks, who is the ambassador for the United Nations for International Youth. I want to thank Dr. Carl Cole, my brother, for advancing Young Eagles Who Soar as part of Sounds of Good News. And these young people are doing magnificent things, and their acronym is PEACE, Positive Energy and Character Excellence. Won't you help me enjoy 86,400 seconds? That's how many are in 24 hours. I'm asking you to stand in solidarity with me on this International Youth Day, because our parents raised us to know that what we will always be are God's children. I am and you are. So now we are, and yes, we can. So in the spirit of acrostics, won't you stand with me in solidarity seconds? Solidarity, symbiotic oneness, like-minded indivisibility, deliberate alignment, respecting individuality, travailing yearns. The labor pains will continue to bring forth youth as long as we remain youthful. Thank you, Dr. Cairo. Thank you, Dr. Carl. positive energy and character excellence. I hear sounds of good news, and I say yes, because I can see the young eagle soaring. Thank you for celebrating this amazing, monumental time with me. Until soon, agape and shalom.
The youth of today shall lead the way as care and compassion creates a brighter day. Let us value our youth and celebrate to ensure their kindness reverberates. Greetings and salutations. My name is Mr. Bradley Ross Jackson, and I am coming to you live from the Morehouse College, which is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s alma mater. Now, International Youth Day is an awareness day observed annually on August 12th. Now, according to my research, and from a historical perspective, it is important to understand that this day was designated by the United Nations in 1999. The goal is to highlight youth challenges, amplify youth voices, and recognize youth contributions toward global development. It is with much joy that I represent the Yes Club program and Fine Arts Project as a part of the worldwide celebration of youth, under the phenomenal leadership of the one and only Dr. Carl Cole. So today, we welcome you. Yes, we welcome you, as the youth are equipped with incomparable determination, motivation, inspiration, dedication, fascination, revelation, and justification. So, on this Youth Day, and forevermore, we must always respect, protect, perfect, and never neglect or deject the youth of our global world. Again, on behalf of Dr. Cole and the entire Yes Club, we welcome you.
The power of unity is a power that we can see. The power of unity lies in you and me. The power of unity is a power that makes us see the hour for you and me to be truly free. And the power of unity is a power that we need. It's power to succeed, and if we believe, we can achieve the power of unity.
A power that makes us see
the hour for you and me
to be true, be free.
The power of unity is a power that we need. It's power to succeed, and if we believe,
we can achieve, oh yeah.
the power.
Talking about the power,
yeah.
Bible says, "This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." So if you're having a bad day, this one's for you. I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be okay. I say I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be okay. I've got issues and troubles and problems, but I'm still gonna have a good day. Everybody's got problems, and that means me and you. Yes we do. We all have trials and tribulations. I know we do. But we're gonna still have a good day if we keep on shining through. Shining through. Gonna be, I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna keep on singing this song, whatever comes my way. I've got issues and troubles and problems with those trials and tribulations, but I'm still, I'm still
There's an
Y'all just saw a true professional. Y'all just saw a true professional. I'm surprised Jessica ain't standing up and clapping for her. Y'all saw a true professional. You did. That girl, I'm going to have Tennessee say something about what she just saw. And this was her first full song interpretive dance. She's done different clips and different things professionally. That was her first full dance. Gianna, I can't wait to put that on the World Wide Web, girl.
Takes a better you and me, with love, joy, and peace, unity and harmony. That's my goal, that's my plan, and I'm gonna make it happen, 'cause I know that I can. Yeah, Jesus said in Matthew 5:16, in the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. So wherever you go, up and down the road, all in your home. Let your light shine. Well, this little light of mine, oh, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, well, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Come on and help me, y'all.
This little light of mine,
Well, I'm gonna let it.
gonna let it shine.
This little,
Little light of mine,
I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah.
gonna let it shine.
This thing,
Little light of mine,
I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah.
gonna let it shine.
Let it shine.
Let it shine.
Let it
shine.
Let
Let it shine.
Up and down the road. Well, I'm gonna let it shine. Up and down the road. Well, I'm gonna let it shine. Whoa, up and down the road. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it
Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
All in my home, I'm gonna let it shine. All in my home, well, I'm gonna let it shine. All in my home, I'm gonna let it shine.
Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
Oh, yeah. Everywhere I go, well, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah. Everywhere I go, I can't help but let it shine. So
Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. This little light of mine,
I'm gonna let it shine.
gonna let it shine.
This little light,
This little light of mine,
I'm gonna
gonna let it shine.
this little light.
Little light of mine,
Well, I'm gonna let it.
gonna let it shine.
Let it.
Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
Come on, y'all. People, red, yellow, black, and white, it's time to do what's right. No matter how far, no matter where you are, it's time to get up and shine. Clap your hands, do your dance, and show your light. We've got some work to do. Come on with me and shine your light. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Anytime and anywhere, over here and over there. Uptown, downtown, out of town and all around. Starting all in my home, everywhere I'm gonna roam. From the ceiling to the floor, in the windows, out the door. Through the city, county, state, I'm not gonna hesitate. Every situation, all across the nation. In the air, land and sea, and up beyond the galaxy.
Let it
I'm
shine.
gonna let it shine.
Let it shine.
I'm gonna let it shine.